Dear student, good afternoon to all of you. Once again, welcome to all of you in live classes. The coming next topic, domains of the environment. In the Hindi meaning of domains of the environment, that means we can say easily पर्यावरण के क्षेत्र. The first topic is lithosphere. It is the solid crust, hard top layer of the earth. It is made of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of the soil. It's called lithosphere. That means, for your better comprehension, just we are going to explain again the topic of lithosphere in Hindi. पृथ्वी की ठोस प्रॉपर्टी या कठोर ऊपरी परत को स्थलमंडल कहते हैं, जो कि चट्टानों एवं खनिजों से बना होता है और मिट्टी की पतली परत से ढका होता है. नेक्स्ट कम टू द सेकेंड टॉपिक, दैट मीन्स हाइड्रोस्फीयर, जलमंडल. Just to know about that, hydrosphere is the sphere which comprises of various sources of water, different types of water bodies, like as lakes, sources of water, like as lakes, seas, oceans, rivers, etc. That means we can see easily in the Hindi meaning, जल के विभिन्न स्रोतों, नदी, झील, महासागर आदि विभिन्न प्रकार के स्रोतों से मिलकर बने, इन सभी जलाशयों से मिलकर बने क्षेत्र को हम जलमंडल कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट कम ऑन द थर्ड टॉपिक, दैट मीन्स एटमॉस्फेयर. वी कैन से इजिली रिगार्डिंग द एटमॉस्फेयर एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव read in all categories regarding the atmosphere, the thin layer of the air which surrounds the earth is termed as atmosphere. It is so essential for the human beings because that means पृथ्वी के चारों तरफ वायु के पतले आवरण और इस प्रकार के परत से बने क्षेत्र को वायुमंडल कहते हैं. The next topic is biosphere, that means जीवमंडल. The narrow strip of the joining place of lithosphere, atmosphere and the hydrosphere full of plants and animals is called biosphere. The next come on the topic, just look the given picture of components of environment, which given in your page number 2. Also we can see and just understand regarding above the sections. Whenever just we are going to looking such the types of picture, just here written as components of environment. That means in Hindi meaning we can say easily पर्यावरण के अवयव, the things and materials just to comes surround us. That means firstly we know about the natural. In Hindi meaning प्राकृतिक. Also it is the one part of the components of the environment. That is natural, प्राकृतिक. The things who related to natural are given here as an example. And the second one is human. That means we can say in Hindi मानव. And the next one also the given as example human made. Firstly we can see regarding the human, then we are going to see the human made, because the first come human, after that the things who made by the human, that's called the human made. Here is these all types of components are joined together, such as example like as components of the environment. Then the next one, here just you have listened and know about at the present time, just I am asking the questions one from where generated the word environment. So just we can say easily environment. Here is the given in page number 5 in your book environment. French word environment. Environment Environment meaning neighborhood. That means easily we can understand regarding the sentence. That means neighborhood आस पड़ोस की चीजें वस्तुएं. तो फ्रांस की भाषा में, फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज में, that means it is the word who generated from there is called environment. Dear student, we will explain the coming next topic in coming next classes. Thanks. Bye bye. Have a nice day.